Here we have this 20-watt LED which has been spoiled. Now we are gonna test it with this 220 AC volt, but it's not working. Now we are gonna remove this bulb so that we can see inside. Yeah, here you can see this LED. It's extremely powerful. LED has been totally spoiled. You can see here these scratches. Now we will remove this LED and I will replace it with the other LED which I have. Here we removed, and now we will remove the sink. This aluminium sink is to absorb the heat, and this IC which provides us the DC output. Now we will test this IC. I think it's working. Here we have this panel of LEDs. We are gonna test with this IC. But before that we have to place these pins. Now just place them in their positions. Now we are ready to go. Yeah, it glows here. Yeah, but it says very low intensity. Now we are gonna replace this LED with this circular one. If it has low power consumption, it will surely work. Yeah, it works here. You can see with the high intensity. Now we will fix this on that frame. Now we will put the clamp. For that we are using this wire. It's hard enough to hold this. Now screw them on their position. Here we will use the selfie stick as stand. It's quite hard to bend this wire in the required shape. Yeah, it's done. Now we will put the screw between them. Now we will place this wire as an input 220 AC volt. And one more thing is the things we are using here is we got them from our junkyard, and so they cost us very just a few couples of this bucks, and so we can use this expensive things with just a little expense. Here we have put it on the stand and it's ready to go. Just plug in and switch on, and yeah, here it glows with a very high intensity.